This video serves as a powerful wake-up call regarding the dangers of overconfidence and the lack of proper safety protocols in everyday tasks. It captures an individual positioned high on an unstable ladder, attempting to trim branches with a running chainsaw while a second person provides only minimal support. Without professional harnesses or stabilizing ropes, the situation becomes critical when a severed branch strikes the ladder, causing a loss of balance. This highlights the extreme risks of working at heights without a safety plan. Key lessons include never underestimating the risk of heavy machinery on ladders, using professional equipment like aerial lifts or climbing harnesses, and maintaining a clear drop zone. Safety must be the top priority to prevent life-altering injuries. This video serves as a powerful wake-up call regarding the dangers of overconfidence and the lack of proper safety protocols in everyday tasks. It captures an individual positioned high on an unstable ladder, attempting to trim branches with a running chainsaw while a second person provides only minimal support. Without professional harnesses or stabilizing ropes, the situation becomes critical when a severed branch strikes the ladder, causing a loss of balance. This highlights the extreme risks of working at heights without a safety plan. Key lessons include never underestimating the risk of heavy machinery on ladders, using professional equipment like aerial lifts or climbing harnesses, and maintaining a clear drop zone. Safety must be the top priority to prevent life-altering injuries. In the realm of industrial automation, oversight can lead to devastating consequences, as seen in recent footage of a safety incident on a production line. While a worker was adjusting a molding system, a robotic arm activated unexpectedly based on its programming, pinning the individual against the frame due to their obstructed position. This highlights the vital need for lockout, tagout, LOTO protocols, ensuring machinery is de-energized before entry. Furthermore, facilities must maintain functional safety interlocks, like light curtains, to trigger emergency stops during breaches. Beyond hardware, situational awareness and rigorous training are essential to eliminate complacency and identify machine blind spots. Adhering to these strict safety standards is the only way to prevent such catastrophic outcomes and protect lives in high-tech manufacturing environments. In busy urban environments, a split-second lapse in judgment can lead to sudden hazards. This footage from Coworker Street captures a parked vehicle unexpectedly accelerating backward at high speed. Whether due to insufficient observation or a loss of vehicle control, the car struck several individuals moving or standing behind it, causing immediate chaos and resulting in serious injuries. The speed of the event left those involved with no time to move out of the way. This incident highlights the absolute necessity of road safety. Drivers must exercise extreme caution when reversing by utilizing mirrors and cameras to clear their path. Maintaining total focus and avoiding distractions like mobile devices is essential, especially on narrow streets with high foot traffic. Furthermore, pedestrians and motorcyclists should remain proactive by staying alert to vehicle signals and maintaining a safe distance from parked cars to respond to unexpected movements. In busy urban environments, a split-second lapse in judgment can lead to sudden hazards. This footage from Coworker Street captures a parked vehicle unexpectedly accelerating backward at high speed. Whether due to insufficient observation or a loss of vehicle control, the car struck several individuals moving or standing behind it, causing immediate chaos and resulting in serious injuries. The speed of the event left those involved with no time to move out of the way. This incident highlights the absolute necessity of road safety. Drivers must exercise extreme caution when reversing by utilizing mirrors and cameras to clear their path. Maintaining total focus and avoiding distractions like mobile devices is essential, especially on narrow streets with high foot traffic. Furthermore, pedestrians and motorcyclists should remain proactive by staying alert to vehicle signals and maintaining a safe distance from parked cars to respond to unexpected movements. In busy urban environments, a split-second lapse in judgment can lead to sudden hazards. This footage from Street captures a parked vehicle unexpectedly accelerating backward at high speed. Whether due to insufficient observation or a loss of vehicle control, the car struck several individuals moving or standing behind it, causing immediate chaos and resulting in serious injuries. The speed of the event left those involved with no time to move out of the way. This incident highlights the absolute necessity of road safety. Drivers must exercise extreme caution when reversing by utilizing mirrors and cameras to clear their path. Maintaining total focus and avoiding distractions like mobile devices is essential, especially on narrow streets with high foot traffic. Furthermore, pedestrians and motorcyclists should remain proactive by staying alert to vehicle signals and maintaining a safe distance from parked cars to respond to unexpected movements. Around 3 p.m. on March 1st, security footage captured a startling moment on a narrow bridge crossing a local canal. As pedestrians were calmly making their way across, a white light-duty truck approached the entrance of the bridge. Unexpectedly, the driver appeared to lose control of the vehicle, causing it to veer sharply off its path, collide with the bridge structure, and plunge directly into the water below. Fortunately, the bystanders nearby reacted with incredible speed, managing to move out of harm's way just in time to avoid the impact. This startling incident serves as a vital safety reminder for all motorists to remain vigilant, maintain a controlled speed, and double-check their surroundings, especially when navigating narrow passages or tricky terrain. Staying alert is essential to ensuring the well-being of everyone on the road and preventing such frightening mishaps. This footage captures a critical safety hazard at a logistics loading dock where a heavy truck was reversing for cargo handling. An individual seated on the platform edge, directly in the vehicle's path, became pinned against the dock wall due to a lack of situational awareness. This serves as a vital reminder to avoid blind spots at all costs, as drivers often cannot see people positioned low or near the rear. Always maintain a minimum clearance of 6 feet from operating vehicles and never stand between a moving truck and a fixed object. High situational awareness is mandatory. Avoid distractions like phones when near machinery. Facilities must use designated spotters and warning systems to prevent unauthorized access. Safety is in your hands. Staying alert is the only way to prevent severe consequences. This footage captures a critical moment at a heavy machinery facility where massive engine blocks are moved via an overhead crane. During the lift, a worker walks directly beneath a suspended load. Seconds later, a mechanical failure causes the multi-ton engine to drop, crushing the support structures. This incident is a powerful reminder that safety protocols must be followed. Never stand under a suspended load. This is the golden rule of rigging. A safe perimeter must be established, cordoning off the red zone from unauthorized personnel. Workers must maintain situational awareness, staying vigilant of overhead loads and warning signals. Finally, regular equipment inspections are essential to minimize technical failures. Safety leaves no room for complacency, as a single second of distraction can lead to irreversible consequences. Stay alert and stay safe.
This video captures a serious workplace accident on an automated assembly line involving a forming press. While the machine is in operation, a worker reaches into a hazardous pinch point to adjust a component without de-energizing the unit. In an instant, the moving part descends, trapping the worker's hand. Nearby colleagues react immediately by hitting the emergency stop button to free the individual. This incident highlights the vital importance of following safety protocols. Never place any part of your body near moving components, and always follow lockout tagout LOTO procedures by securing power sources before making adjustments. Utilize proper tools like tongs instead of hands, and maintain constant focus. Safety is the top priority. Never sacrifice your well-being for a few seconds.
This footage captures a critical safety incident in a machine shop during an industrial metal cutting operation. As the high-speed blade engages the material, a sharp metal fragment is suddenly ejected from the cutting zone with significant force, traveling directly toward the operator's face. Fortunately, because the worker was wearing proper safety glasses, the debris was deflected, preventing a severe injury. This near miss highlights how essential personal protective equipment is in high-risk environments. It serves as a reminder to always wear complete PPE, as safety glasses are non-negotiable when working with saws or grinders. Additionally, workers must inspect materials and machinery to ensure everything is securely clamped. Maintaining a safe buffer zone and attending ongoing safety training are vital steps to minimize risk. Safety is a full-time commitment. This footage captures a concerning incident in a large-scale warehouse where logistical operations are in constant motion. An operator is seen using a forklift to transport heavy, palletized loads. After placing a load into position, the operator quickly reverses without performing a proper rear-view check. As a result, the forklift strikes a high-density storage rack with significant force, causing the upper tiers of cartons and items to collapse onto the floor. Fortunately, no other personnel were in the immediate vicinity at the time, preventing any serious injuries. This incident highlights the critical importance of safety protocols. Maintain constant vigilance by checking the path before reversing. Observe safe speed limits. Use audible warning signals at blind spots, and ensure load stability. Proper training is essential, as workplace safety is a collective responsibility. This safety alert highlights a critical lesson in workplace awareness through a high-risk incident at a material yard. An individual, likely a manager, stood too close to a loader's active zone without high-visibility gear. Due to significant blind spots, the operator inadvertently scooped them into a dump truck with a load of sand. The incident happened so fast, the individual could not react. This highlights the dangers of zone intrusion and obstructed vision in industrial settings. To prevent such accidents, always maintain a safe buffer of at least 20 to 30 feet from moving machinery. Both operators and pedestrians must identify no-go zones. If you can't see the driver, they can't see you. Wear proper PPE like high-visibility vests and always establish positive eye contact or receive a clear signal before crossing any machine's path. Safety must always be the top priority.
This safety alert highlights a critical lesson in material handling within a warehouse environment. As shown in the footage, two workers were managing large slabs stored upright when a stack lost balance, causing a rapid chain reaction collapse that trapped a worker in a crushed zone. This incident underscores the extreme danger of standing between unstable, heavy materials without secure restraints like frame racks or safety bars. Immediate assistance from colleagues was vital, but prevention is key. To ensure workplace safety, always utilize specialized storage systems with locks. Avoid dead zones by maintaining a clear path of retreat, and verify the stability of a low desk center of gravity before any handling. Comprehensive hazard recognition training is essential for all personnel working with bulky or unstable inventory to prevent such accidents.
This footage captures a critical safety incident at an industrial facility involving an active packaging system where a worker's arm became trapped after reaching into an operational zone without following de-energization protocols. This serves as a sobering reminder of the vital importance of workplace safety. To prevent such crises, personnel must never perform manual interventions on active equipment. The machinery should be completely powered down using lockout, tagout, LOTO procedures before any troubleshooting begins. Furthermore, workers must always wear proper personal protective equipment, PPE, and use specialized tools rather than direct hand contact near moving parts. Comprehensive training and strict adherence to safety guidelines are essential, as personal well-being is far more valuable than any production quota. Always prioritize caution around heavy machinery. The following footage documents a hazardous situation at a manufacturing plant involving active industrial winding equipment. While operating near a high-speed rotating shaft, a worker's clothing or body became entangled in the machine's mechanism. Due to the intense rotational speed and pulling force, the individual was drawn into the equipment within seconds. This incident serves as a serious warning regarding the operational risks of machinery with rotating parts. To prevent entanglement, workers must avoid loose clothing or dangling accessories and always maintain designated safety distances. Furthermore, industrial rollers should be equipped with physical guards or sensors to stop the machine if an object enters a danger zone. All personnel must be familiar with emergency stop protocols to ensure a rapid response. Strict adherence to these safety standards is essential to protect everyone. The footage captures a severe industrial accident where a worker entered an active robotic arms operating envelope to adjust a component. Due to a lapse in coordination or detection failure, the heavy machinery moved unexpectedly, pinning the worker against a frame and causing life-altering injuries. This serves as a vital reminder to respect the danger zone by never entering a robot's radius unless the system is fully de-energized. Facilities must utilize presence-sensing safeguards, like light curtains, to trigger emergency stops. Strict adherence to lockout, tagout, LOTO procedures is mandatory, ensuring equipment is locked in the off position before manual intervention. Ultimately, safety culture must always take precedence over production speed, as a single moment of complacency can lead to irreversible consequences. High-level vigilance is the only way to prevent such tragedies. This footage captures a critical industrial incident where a worker's clothing or material became entangled in a high-torque rotating shaft. The immense force of the machinery pulled the worker into the mechanism within seconds, but a quick-thinking colleague immediately cut the power to prevent a far more catastrophic outcome. This event serves as a stark reminder that safety protocols are non-negotiable. Proper work attire is essential. Loose clothing or jewelry must be avoided to prevent entanglement. Furthermore, every team member must be trained on the exact location of emergency stop, e-stop, switches to react instantly during a crisis. Constant vigilance is mandatory, as even a momentary distraction can lead to life-altering injuries. Finally, comprehensive emergency response training is vital to ensure personnel can effectively support one another during unforeseen mechanical failures. This footage captures a devastating industrial accident in a busy public terminal as a team attempted to transport a massive sheet of tempered glass using a manual cart. As they navigated the walkway, the glass lost its center of gravity and tipped over. Due to the extreme momentum, the crew could not stabilize the load, which collapsed onto individuals in its path. This tragedy highlights the need for strict adherence to lifting standards and specialized equipment with anti-tip mechanisms. Safety protocols must include thorough route inspections for floor irregularities and the establishment of secure work zone perimeters with clear signage. Most importantly, workers must prioritize personal safety over property, never attempt to catch a falling load of this magnitude. Proper training and early alerts are vital to prevent such critical emergencies and protect lives. This footage captures a sudden mechanical failure during a routine tire change on a large passenger bus, where a technician becomes trapped as the support jack unexpectedly slips, causing the vehicle to collapse instantly. This incident highlights critical safety protocols for heavy-duty maintenance. To prevent such emergencies, it is mandatory to use hydraulic jacks with certified weight ratings alongside secondary jack stands for secure stabilization. Never rely solely on a portable jack when working on oversized vehicles. Operators must verify surface stability, ensuring the ground is flat and solid to prevent tilting. Furthermore, establishing a strict no-go zone is vital. No part of the body should enter the space beneath the chassis unless a secondary safety stand is in place. Maintaining situational awareness through professional expertise and having a spotter present can ensure immediate assistance if a failure occurs.